Hello and welcome to my channel. I am going to do Word Chapter 1, Mid-Level 1 Water. This is the first chapter of Word section of my Lab course. I will do this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. If you want me to do this assignment for you or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments, or Access assignments, you can either contact me on WhatsApp or email that is showing at the bottom of the screen. My WhatsApp and email is showing in the description of the video as well. I have been doing courses for students since 2015 and you can hire me for your all courses like accounting, marketing, management classes, information technology classes, computer science classes, all programming assignments and writing assignments I can do for you. So now we will start this assignment and we'll solve this assignment step by step. And you can complete this assignment by watching this video. So title of the assignment is Exp19 Word Chapter 1 Mid-Level 1 Water, and this is the first chapter. At start, you can see the project description. Basically, this project description has nothing to do with the assignment, but when you will read this, you will get an idea about the assignment. So I suggest you to go through this project description so that you can understand the assignment well. But main part of the assignment are these steps, that is step number 1 up to step 12. So total steps are 12 steps that we are supposed to do, and I will do these steps in this video now, and you can follow me to complete this assignment for you. So step number 1 is start Word, download and open the file name Exp19. Word chapter 1 ML1 water. Creator has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file. So I have already downloaded this file, and you can download this file from your My IT Lab dashboard, and this is the file that we are supposed to use to do this assignment. So your name will be added to the beginning of the file. So now we will move to next step, that is step number 2, because step number 1 is just about downloading the file. So it is saying that change the orientation to portrait, display non-printing characters, delete the first 2 lines, water for life and changing lives daily. So first we are supposed to change the orientation to portrait, then display non-printing characters, and then delete the first 2 lines. So we will go to the sheet and click on the home tab, and you can see that this is for the non-printing characters. So display non-printing characters. Then we are supposed to change the orientation to portrait. So click on the layout tab and go to the orientation and click portrait. So I have changed the orientation to the portrait. So now we are supposed to delete these 2 lines from the document. So select these 2 lines and delete them because it is required in step 1. So that is all required for step 2. Now we will do step number 3. Change margins to moderate. Insert a page break at the beginning of the document. So first we are supposed to change the margins for the document to moderate, and then we are supposed to insert a page break at the beginning of the document. So I will go to the layout tab again. After going to the layout tab, click on the margins, and from here we are supposed to select the moderate. So select this one. So I have changed the margins to moderate for this document. And now we are supposed to insert a page break at the beginning of the document. So this is the beginning of the document. Go to the layout tab again, and in the breaks we are supposed to insert a page break, this one. And you can see that I have inserted a page break at the beginning of the document. So that is all required in step 3 of the assignment. So next step to do is step number 4. And step number 4, it is saying that at the beginning of the document, insert text from the title document. So we got a document named title along with the assignment, and we are supposed to copy the text from that document, and then we will paste that text in the at the beginning of the document. So I will copy this text. This is the title document, and we are supposed to copy this. So I will copy this, and then we are supposed to paste this text at the beginning of the document. So click before this page break and paste it here. So I have copied the text and pasted it at the beginning of the document. So that is all required in step 4. So we have completed 4 steps so far, and now we're going to do next step, that is step number 5. Step number 5 is insert a footer containing a page number. The page number should be placed at the current position and as a plain number. Ensure that the footer does not show on the first page. Close the footer. So we are supposed to insert a footer, and this footer should have page number. The page number should be placed at the current position and a plain number. Ensure that footer does not show on the first page. So we are supposed to insert a footer. Click on the insert tab, go to footer and click on the added footer. So I will check this box that is different first page, because we are not supposed to use the footer on first page. So in option, check this box that is saying that different first page footer. So now we are supposed to insert the page number at current position. So I will go to the page number at bottom, and the current position is this one. So I will simply close the footer, and you can see that I have inserted the footer according to the requirements. So that is all required in step number 5 of the assignment. So I have completed 5 steps so far, and now I will move to next step, that is step number 6. So step number 6 is insert the word adversely between the word that and the word effect in the first line of the second page. So let me go to the second page, and This is the first line, and you can see that this is the space between that and effect as mentioned in the requirement, and we are supposed to insert the word adversely between these two words. Ensure that a space precedes and follows the inserted word. Replace the words as long as in the second paragraph on the second page with the word when. So first we are supposed to insert or write this word between the effect and that. So these are two words that are given. So I will type adversely, and you can see that it is preceded and follows by a space. So I have written this word adversely. Now the second thing to do is replace the words as long as in the second paragraph on the second page with the word when. Second paragraph on the second page. So this is as long as this one, and we are supposed to replace this word with when. So I will simply delete these, select these one and delete, and we are supposed to type when here. So I have replaced the selected words with the when. So that is all required in step number 6. So we have completed 6 steps so far, and now I will be doing the next step, that is step number 7. So in step number 7, it is saying that use the thesaurus to replace the word reliable in the third paragraph on the second page with a synonym beginning with the letter D. So we are supposed to replace the word reliable that is mentioned in the third paragraph on the second page. Third paragraph on the second page. So this is the second page. This is the paragraph first, second and third. And we are supposed to look for the word that is reliable. So let me look for the word reliable here. Or we can simply use Control F to find the word, but let me look for reliable. So this is the reliable. This is the first way to find, or other we can simply type reliable here. And you can see the word reliable here. So we are supposed to replace this word by using the thesaurus, and we will replace with the synonym that will start with the letter D. So we can simply do this by going to the Review tab and click on the thesaurus, and we are supposed to use a synonym starting from word I. So this is starting from the letter I. So I will simply click on this arrow and will click on insert, and you can see that this word has been replaced with the word dependable. So that is all required in step number 7. So total steps in this assignment to do are 11. I have solved 7 steps completely. I explained those 7 steps, so then you can complete those steps on your own. Or for the remaining 3 steps, 8, 9, 10, 11, I will just give you an overview so that you can complete those steps on your own. So in step number 8, it is saying that add flyer for the water of life in the comment box in the document properties. So let me show you this one. I will go to the file and info tab. Go to the advanced properties, and you can see that I have added this flyer for the water for the life. So that we are supposed to use in the comment box. Next is, so that is all about step number 8. Then in step number 9, it is saying that insert a header type student and spacebar, include the content of the comment section in the document properties. Use the quick parts command on the header and footer tools to design tab to include the information, close header. So in step number 9, we are supposed to add a header to the document, and the header text is given that is subject, and then we are supposed to add the comment section in the document properties. So let me show you this one. You can see that subject and comment was flare for the water of life. I have already added this. So that is all required in step number 9 to add a header. So next step is step number 10. Check the spelling and correct any errors. I think this is the simple step. You can do this. Go to the review tab, and you can do this step by going to the review tab and use the built-in option of spelling check, spell and grammar check, and you can correct those spellings. And the last one is for the accessibility check, correcting for any alerts that are shown. So basically that I have completed this complete assignment in this video, and you can do this assignment by watching this video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to make a deal for this complete course, my WhatsApp and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can either contact me through WhatsApp or email, and you can make a deal for your complete course, including Excel assignments, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments, or Access assignments. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another video. Thank you so much again.